Okay. Next one, the command something we have called passwd, right? Type every what happened? What it is showing? So password. So it's passwd. So it's asking me to change the current password.
Total 404. Total 404.
Total directories inside total count. Total count. Huh? 100 is there.
Yes, sir.
But it's not showing there.
404.
Okay.
Hidden files.
Might be. I have to check it out. Might be hidden other files. Because you are seeing only USB directories.
Yes, sir.
So total 4, not 4. But you created 100.
Yes, sir.
But where it is showing? It is showing only list. Okay.
Current password is the laptop's password.
What the password we have set? While login, what password you have given? Now it is asking to change the password. It is asking current password. So if you give the current password, so hope you remember, I said when you are going to type the password, it will not visible what password I am typing. It will be not visible on the screen. Okay, I entered. It's asking me to change give the new password to change. I don't want. Just enter. See, it's not. It's asking retype everything whenever I am typing. So, but the moment you continuously type, then it will say that you are not entering the new password and it will exit. Password unchanged. The moment you give some password, it will get changed. So, this is the password command, passwd. Okay. So, again for password, for Unix, there are certain rules that you must follow, otherwise it will not allow you to change the password, because it's a combination of all should be there, right? You know very well, right? So, if you give two character password, is going to take? Check that one. It's taking or not? How long password? So, it's what? The error message will come. So, password is too short. Password must differ from the previous password, right? So, this all normal, whatever the scenario is there, same scenario will apply here also for password change. Clear? Clear, guys? That's all for today. Next class we will discuss different topic.